My table book. C. Numbers 1 to 10. Singing time. Number 1, tickle your thumb. Number 2, just say boo. Number 3, touch your knee. Number 4, touch the floor. Number 5, do a dive. Number 6, wriggle your hips. Number 7, jump to heaven. Number 8, stand up straight. Number 9, walk in a line. Number 10, do it all again. The ants go marching. The ants go marching. The ants go marching. They look so charming, and we learn counting. The ants go marching one by one. Hooray, hooray! The little one stops to suck her thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching two by two. The little one stops to tie her shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching three by three. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching four by four. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching five by five. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching six by six. The little one stops to pick up sticks, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching seven by seven. The little one stops to pray to heaven, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching eight by eight. The little one stops to check the gate, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching nine by nine. The little one stops to check the time, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 10 by 10. The little one stops to say the end, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Multiplying with 0 and 1. What is multiplication? If a number is multiplied by 0, the result will also be 0. Let us read the table of 0. 0 into 1 equal to 0. 0 into 2 equal to 0. 0 into 3 equal to 0. 0 into 4 equal to 0. 0 into 5 equal to 0. 0 into 6 equal to 0. 0 into 7 equal to 0. 0 into 8 equal to 0. 0 into 9 equal to 0. 0 into 10 equal to 0. Any number when multiplied by 1 will give the same number. Let us read the table of 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. 1 into 2 equal to 2. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 1 into 4 equal to 4. 1 into 5 equal to 5. 1 into 6 equal to 6. 1 into 7 equal to 7. 1 into 8 equal to 8. 1 into 9 equal to 9. 1 into 10 equal to 10. Time to practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 0 into 9 equal to 0. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 3 into 0 equal to 0. 6 into 0 equal to 0. 1 into 4 equal to 4. 0 into 8 equal to 0. 1 into 3 equal to 3. 0 into 3 equal to 0. 1 into 4 equal to 4. Teacher's note: teach students about multiplying with 0 and 1 in a fun and easy way. Multiplication table of 2. Let's read. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Let's write. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 into 4 equal to 8. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 6 equal to 12. 2 into 7 equal to 14. 2 into 8 equal to 16. 2 into 9 equal to 18. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Let's practice. A. Multiply and write the answers. 2 into 9 equal to 18. 2 into 7 equal to 14. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 10 equal to 20. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 3 equal to 6. B. Starting from ascending, complete the table of 2 and write in the caterpillar. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Teacher's note: to find the total product of multiplication table of 2, student to use 2 fingers on each hand and do the addition. Multiplication table of 3. Let's read. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Let's write. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 into 4 equal to 12. 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 into 6 equal to 18. 3 into 7 equal to 21. 3 into 8 equal to 24. 3 into 9 equal to 27. 3 into 10 equal to 30. Let's practice. A. Multiply and write the answers. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 into 6 equal to 18. 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 into 8 equal to 24. 3 into 1 equal to 3. B. Starting from ascending, complete the table of 3 and write in the watermelons. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Teacher's note. To find the total product of table of 3, ask students to use 3 fingers on each hand and do the addition. Multiplication table of 4. Let's read. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Let's write. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 4 into 3 equal to 12. 4 into 4 equal to 16. 4 into 5 equal to 20. 4 into 6 equal to 24. 4 into 7 equal to 28. 4 into 8 equal to 32. 4 into 9 equal to 36. 4 into 10 equal to 40. Let's practice. A. Fill in the answers in the boxes. 4 into 5 equal to 20. 4 into 7 equal to 28. 4 into 9 equal to 36. 4 into 6 equal to 24. 4 into 4 equal to 16. 4 into 10 equal to 40. B. Write the table of 4 in ascending order on the kites. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Teacher's note. Ask students to skip counting and now keep on adding the same number each time. For example, if they start with 4, then they can keep on adding 4 like 8, 12, 16 and so on. Multiplication table of 5. Let's read. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Let's write. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 5 into 5 equal to 25. 5 into 6 equal to 30. 5 into 7 equal to 35. 5 into 8 equal to 40. 5 into 9 equal to 45. 5 into 10 equal to 50. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 5 into 8 equal to 40. 5 into 5 equal to 25. 5 into 10 equal to 50. 5 into 9 equal to 45. B. Write the table of 5 in ascending order on the pumpkins. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Teacher's note: if students can't count beyond 5 on their fingers and get them to draw lines in their notebook to help with counting. For example, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 50. Multiplication table of 6. 6 into 1 equal to 6. 6 into 2 equal to 12. 6 into 3 equal to 18. 6 into 4 equal to 24. 6 into 5 equal to 30. 6 into 6 equal to 36. 6 into 7 equal to 42. 6 into 8 equal to 48. 6 into 9 equal to 54. 6 into 10 equal to 60. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 6 into 8 equal to 48. 6 into 10 equal to 60. 6 into 4 equal to 24. 6 into 5 equal to 30. 6 into 6 equal to 36. 6 into 3 equal to 18. 6 into 7 equal to 42. B. Write the table of 6 in ascending order on the tomatoes. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Teacher's note: help students with multiplying bigger numbers by using fingers or drawing lines on the sheet. Multiplication table of 7. 7 into 1 equal to 7. 7 into 2 equal to 14. 7 into 3 equal to 21. 7 into 4 equal to 28. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 7 into 6 equal to 42. 7 into 7 equal to 49. 7 into 8 equal to 56. 7 into 9 equal to 63. 7 into 10 equal to 70. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 7 into 3 equal to 21. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 7 into 7 equal to 49. 7 into 2 equal to 14. 7 into 9 equal to 63. 7 into 8 equal to 56. 7 into 1 equal to 7. B. Write the table of 7 in ascending order on the potatoes. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 70. Teacher's note. Make learning tables easier for students by giving them surprise quizzes. Multiplication table of 8. 8 into 1 equal to 8. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 8 into 3 equal to 24. 8 into 4 equal to 32. 8 into 5 equal to 40. 8 into 6 equal to 48. 8 into 7 equal to 56. 8 into 8 equal to 64. 8 into 9 equal to 72. 8 into 10 equal to 80. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 8 into 4 equal to 32. 8 into 3 equal to 24. 8 into 7 equal to 56. 8 into 8 equal to 64. 8 into 10 equal to 80. 8 into 9 equal to 72. 8 into 5 equal to 40. B. Write the table of 8 in ascending order on the balloons. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Teacher's note. Make children practice more by giving them random exercises. Multiplication table of 9. 9 into 1 equal to 9. 9 into 2 equal to 18. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 9 into 4 equal to 36. 9 into 5 equal to 45. 9 into 6 equal to 54. 9 into 7 equal to 63. 9 into 8 equal to 72. 9 into 9 equal to 81. 9 into 10 equal to 90. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 9 into 9 equal to 81. 9 into 6 equal to 54. 9 into 5 equal to 45. 9 into 8 equal to 72. 9 into 10 equal to 90. 9 into 2 equal to 18. B. Write the table of 9 in ascending order on the leaves. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Teacher's note: a simple way to make students learn table of 9. See the digits at unit place, descent 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on. At the same time, digits at 10 place ascend 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Multiplication table of 10. 10 into 1 equal to 10. 10 into 2 equal to 20. 10 into 3 equal to 30. 10 into 4 equal to 40. 10 into 5 equal to 50. 10 into 6 equal to 60. 10 into 7 equal to 70. 10 into 8 equal to 80. 10 into 9 equal to 90. 10 into 10 equal to 100. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 10 into 8 equal to 80. 10 into 10 equal to 100. 10 into 1 equal to 10. 10 into 9 equal to 90. 10 into 7 equal to 70. 10 into 5 equal to 50. 10 into 2 equal to 20. B. Write the table of 10 in ascending order on the oranges. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. Teacher's note: table of 10 is easy. Ask students to do counting from 1 to 10 and then keep on adding 0 after each number. Activity time. A. Match the correct multiplication box with the answers. One has been done for you. 9 into 9 equal to 81. 6 into 5 equal to 30. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 8 into 4 equal to 32. 6 into 3 equal to 18. 7 into 8 equal to 56. B. Fill answer in the box. 6 into 6 equal to 36. 10 into 8 equal to 80. 6 into 9 equal to 54. 8 into 9 equal to 72. 9 into 2 equal to 18. 7 into 6 equal to 42. See, Fill in the box with correct number. 6 into 7 equal to 42. 8 into 4 equal to 32. 9 into 6 equal to 54. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 10 into 3 equal to 30. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 10 into 6 equal to 60. 9 into 8 equal to 72. D. Fill answers in the boxes. 10 into 7 equal to 70. 7 into 9 equal to 63. 9 into 5 equal to 45. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 6 into 8 equal to 48. 8 into 7 equal to 56. The activity is completed. Multiplication table of 11 and 12. 11 into 1 equal to 11. 11 into 2 equal to 22. 11 into 3 equal to 33. 11 into 4 equal to 44. 11 into 5 equal to 55. 11 into 6 equal to 66. 11 into 7 equal to 77. 11 into 8 equal to 88. 11 into 9 equal to 99. 11 into 10 equal to 110. 12 into 1 equal to 12. 12 into 2 equal to 24. 12 into 3 equal to 36. 12 into 4 equal to 48. 12 into 5 equal to 60. 12 into 6 equal to 72. 12 into 7 equal to 84. 12 into 8 equal to 96. 12 into 9 equal to 108. 12 into 10 equal to 120. Let's practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 11 into 7 equal to 77. 11 into 2 equal to 22. 11 into 6 equal to 66. 12 into 3 equal to 36. 12 into 8 equal to 96. Activity time. A. Match the correct multiplication box with the answers. 12 into 2 equal to 24. 11 into 8 equal to 88. 12 into 4 equal to 48. 11 into 9 equal to 99. 12 into 7 equal to 84. 11 into 6 equal to 66. B. Write the table of 11 in ascending order on the pomegranates. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. Multiplication table of 13. 13 into 1 equal to 13. 13 into 2 equal to 26. 13 into 3 equal to 39. 13 into 4 equal to 52. 13 into 5 equal to 65. 13 into 6 equal to 78. 13 into 7 equal to 91. 13 into 8 equal to 104. 13 into 9 equal to 117. 13 into 10 equal to 130. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 13 into 8 equal to 104. 13 into 9 equal to 117. 13 into 2 equal to 26. 13 into 4 equal to 52. 13 into 10 equal to 130. 13 into 5 equal to 65. 13 into 7 equal to 91. B. Write the table of 13 in ascending order on the butterflies. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Multiplication table of 14. 14 into 1 equal to 14. 14 into 2 equal to 28. 14 into 3 equal to 42. 14 into 4 equal to 56. 14 into 5 equal to 70. 14 into 6 equal to 84. 14 into 7 equal to 98. 14 into 8 equal to 112. 14 into 9 equal to 126. 14 into 10 equal to 140. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 14 into 5 equal to 70. 14 into 3 equal to 42. 14 into 9 equal to 126. 14 into 2 equal to 28. 14 into 10 equal to 140. 14 into 1 equal to 14. 14 into 6 equal to 84. B. Write the table of 14 in ascending order on the balloons. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. Multiplication table of 15 and 16. 15 into 1 equal to 15. 15 into 2 equal to 30. 15 into 3 equal to 45. 15 into 4 equal to 60. 15 into 5 equal to 75. 15 into 6 equal to 90. 15 into 7 equal to 105. 15 into 8 equal to 120. 15 into 9 equal to 135. 15 into 10 equal to 150. 16 into 1 equal to 16. 16 into 2 equal to 32. 16 into 3 equal to 48. 16 into 4 equal to 64. 16 into 5 equal to 80. 16 into 6 equal to 96. 16 into 7 equal to 112. 16 into 8 equal to 128. 16 into 9 equal to 144. 16 into 10 equal to 160. Let's practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 15 into 8 equal to 120. 15 into 5 equal to 75. 15 into 3 equal to 45. 16 into 6 equal to 96. 16 into 4 equal to 64. 16 into 9 equal to 144. Activity time. A. Multiply the numbers by center number. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 sixes are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 96, 112. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. B. Fill answers in the boxes. 16 into 6 equal to 96. 16 into 7 equal to 112. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. 16 into 4 is equal to 64. 16 into 2 equal to 32. 16 into 9 equal to 144. The activity is completed. Multiplication table of 17. 17 into 1 equal to 17. 17 into 2 equal to 34. 17 into 3 equal to 51. 17 into 4 equal to 68. 17 into 5 equal to 85. 17 into 6 equal to 102. 17 into 7 equal to 119. 17 into 8 equal to 136. 17 into 9 equal to 153. 17 into 10 equal to 170. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 17 into 2 equal to 34. 17 into 9 equal to 153. 17 into 1 equal to 17. 17 into 4 equal to 68. 17 into 10 equal to 170. 17 into 7 equal to 119. 17 into 5 equal to 85. B. Write the table of 17 in ascending order on the hats. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. Multiplication table of 18. 18 into 1 equal to 18. 18 into 2 equal to 36. 18 into 3 equal to 54. 18 into 4 equal to 72. 18 into 5 equal to 90. 18 into 6 equal to 108. 18 into 7 equal to 126. 18 into 8 equal to 144. 18 into 9 equal to 162. 18 into 10 equal to 180. Let's practice. A. Fill answers in the boxes. 18 into 2 equal to 36. 18 into 9 equal to 162. 18 into 7 equal to 126. 18 into 10 equal to 180. 18 into 3 equal to 54. 18 into 4 equal to 72. 18 into 6 equal to 108. B. Write the table of 18 in ascending order on the butterflies. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Multiplication table of 19 and 20. 19 into 1 equal to 19. 19 into 2 equal to 38. 19 into 3 equal to 57. 19 into 4 equal to 76. 19 into 5 equal to 95. 19 into 6 equal to 114. 19 into 7 equal to 133. 19 into 8 equal to 152. 19 into 9 equal to 171. 19 into 10 equal to 190. 20 into 1 equal to 20. 20 into 2 equal to 40. 20 into 3 equal to 60. 20 into 4 equal to 80. 20 into 5 equal to 100. 20 into 6 equal to 122. 20 into 7 equal to 140. 20 into 8 equal to 160. 20 into 9 equal to 180. 20 into 10 equal to 200. Let's practice. Fill answers in the boxes. 19 into 5 equal to 95. 20 into 100 equal to 200. 19 into 2 equal to 38. 19 into 8 equal to 152. 20 into 9 equal to 180. 20 into 6 equal to 120. I hope you enjoy learning.